Welcome to Practice English Conversations. Are you ready to practice your English and become more fluent? Let's get started.
Hi, James. How are you today?
Hi, Emily. I am fine, thank you. How are you?
I am good too. Today, I want to talk about what we did last week and what we will do next week. Do you like to talk about your week?
Yes, I like to talk about my week. It is a good way to share our experiences and plan for the future.
Great. Let's start by talking about last week. I have many simple questions for you.
Of course, Emily. I am happy to share what I did.
James, what did you do last week?
Last week was busy for me. I worked a lot, and I also spent time with my family. I went to the park and met with some friends. How about you, Emily?
I had a busy week too. I went to my classes, did my homework, and also visited my parents on the weekend.
That sounds nice. I like it when I can see my family on weekends. What did you do with your parents?
I helped my mother in the garden, and we cooked a simple dinner together. It was a very relaxing day.
During the week, I worked in the office. I answered emails, made phone calls, and attended meetings. I also studied English in the evening.
I studied at the local college. I had a few interesting lectures and group discussions. I also spent some time reading a book.
Reading is a good habit. Which book did you read?
I read a short storybook about travel. It was fun and easy to understand. I like stories that let me imagine new places.
That is great. I sometimes read news articles online. It helps me learn new words and ideas.
Did you do anything fun last week, James?
Yes, I did. On Wednesday, I met my friend Sarah for a coffee. We talked about our hobbies and our plans for the weekend.
That sounds enjoyable. I met my friend Mark on Friday. We went to a small art gallery and then had lunch together.
I love art galleries. They are quiet and full of interesting paintings.
Yes, I agree. After the gallery, Mark and I walked in the park and talked about our favorite art pieces.
It is nice to have time with friends. Spending time with them makes the week more interesting.
James, did you do any family activities last week?
Yes, I did. On Saturday, I went to the park with my family. We had a picnic and played simple games.
I went to visit my parents on Saturday too. We had a big family dinner. I helped my mother cook, and we all shared funny stories.
Family dinners are very important. They make me feel warm and happy.
I agree. It is always good to spend time with family. It makes our hearts feel full.
I also exercised last week. I walked in the park every morning for 30 minutes.
That is good for your health. I jog a few times a week and do some stretching exercises in the morning.
Yes, exercising is important. It helps me feel energetic and relaxed.
I feel the same. When I exercise, I also listen to music. It makes the exercise more fun.
Listening to music while jogging is a great idea. It makes the time pass quickly.
What did you do for fun on your own last week?
I spent some time playing the guitar. I practice a little bit every day. I also watched a couple of movies at home.
I love watching movies too. I watched a comedy film and a nature documentary. They were both interesting and relaxing.
Movies help me relax after a busy day. I also sometimes draw small sketches in my free time.
Drawing is a creative hobby. I like to paint with watercolors on weekends. It is very calming. James, when I think about last week, I feel that I did many good things. I worked hard, studied, and also had fun with my family and friends.
I feel the same, Emily. Last week was busy, but I learned a lot and enjoyed many simple moments.
It is important to have a balance between work, study, and leisure time.
Yes, a balanced week helps me to be happy and productive.
Now, let's talk about next week. What do you plan to do next week, James?
Next week, I have many plans. I will work at the office, and I also plan to study more English. I want to improve my speaking skills.
That is a good plan. I have many classes next week, and I want to study hard too.
I also plan to spend time with my family. I hope to have a small dinner with them on the weekend.
I plan to visit my parents next week as well. We will have lunch together and maybe take a walk in the park.
At work, I have a new project next week. I will need to prepare a presentation. I hope it goes well.
I wish you good luck with your project, James. I know you will do great.
Thank you, Emily. And what about your classes? Do you have any exams next week?
Yes, I have a small exam on Tuesday. I need to study a little more and review my notes.
I am sure you will do well. Studying a little each day makes the exam easier.
I agree. I plan to review my notes on Monday evening. I also want to read 1 or 2 chapters of my textbook each day.
That is a smart plan. I will try to study with you if you want.
That would be nice. We can share ideas and help each other.
Do you have any fun plans for next week, Emily?
Yes, I do. On Wednesday evening, I will meet with my friends at a small cafe. We will talk, laugh, and enjoy some coffee.
That sounds very nice. I plan to meet a friend on Thursday to play a board game at his house.
Board games are fun. They are a good way to relax and spend time with friends.
I also plan to watch a new movie at home on Friday night. I love a good film to end the week.
I might watch a comedy or a musical. It is always fun to laugh and enjoy good music.
Yes, a funny movie makes me forget my work stress. I always feel better after watching one.
What about exercise, James? Do you plan to continue your daily walks?
Yes, I plan to walk every morning next week. I will try to walk for 30 minutes each day, as I did last week.
That is great. I plan to jog on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. I will also do some stretching exercises in the morning.
I believe that keeping a regular exercise habit is important. It helps us feel energetic and healthy.
I agree. I also plan to drink more water and eat healthy food next week.
That is very good. Drinking enough water and eating fresh fruits and vegetables is key to staying fit.
James, do you have any hobbies or personal projects for next week?
Yes, I plan to practice playing the guitar every evening. I want to learn a new song that I saw online.
That is exciting. I also plan to spend some time painting. I want to try a new style with watercolors.
I think it is important to have creative hobbies. They make our free time enjoyable and relaxing.
Yes, and they help us express ourselves. I also want to read a new book. I will go to the library on Saturday.
Going to the library is a good idea. I might also read a short story or two. Reading helps me learn new words and ideas.
James, would you like to do something together next week?
Yes, I would love that. What do you have in mind?
Maybe we can plan a picnic on the weekend. We can go to the park, bring some food, and relax in the sun.
That is a great idea, Emily. A picnic is a fun way to spend time outdoors and enjoy nature.
We can also play some games, talk, and maybe take some photos.
Yes, I like that plan. I will bring a small speaker to play music, and you can bring some snacks.
Perfect. I will prepare some fruit and sandwiches. We can share our food and enjoy a happy day.
I am looking forward to it. It will be a nice break from our busy week.
Next week, I also want to work on my personal goals. I want to practice my English speaking skills and learn new words.
That is a good goal. I plan to write a short diary every day to improve my writing. It helps me reflect on my day.
Writing a diary is a good habit. It makes you think about what you did and what you want to improve.
Yes, and I also want to learn a few new recipes. Cooking new food is fun and healthy.
I agree. Trying new recipes can make meals exciting. I might try to cook a new dish on Sunday.
That sounds very nice. We can share our recipes and maybe cook together one day.
Yes, I would like that very much.
To sum up, last week was busy but full of good memories. I worked hard, spent time with my family and friends, exercised, and enjoyed my hobbies.
I feel the same way, James. Last week was a mix of work, study, and fun. I learned new things and enjoyed time with my family.
And next week, we both have many plans. We will work, study, exercise, and have fun with our friends. We even plan a picnic together.
Yes, next week will be a good week. I feel excited and motivated to do new things.
A balanced week makes us happy and helps us grow.
I agree. I always try to learn from each week and plan better for the next one. I must go now, James, but I am happy to talk about our week. It was very interesting to share what we did and what we plan to do.
I am happy too, Emily.
I will see you at work on Monday, and we can talk more about our plans. Have a great weekend, James.
Thank you, Emily. Have a good weekend as well. Enjoy your time with your family and friends.
Thank you, James. Goodbye.
Goodbye, Emily.
Great job practicing with us today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next English conversation. See you in the next video. Keep practicing and stay confident.